The advantages of having robotic systems allows you to manage the product in a manner that you're actually simulating or mimicking a human touch. We can grab the product, hold the product, move the product in the same manner as a human would. That allows for repeatability, that allows for precision, and using vision, it allows for better quality, better yield for the product. Typical applications for rigid tray with robotic loading, usually in the protein, you have either whole muscle or you have shingled product that's downstream of a slicer. There are other common ways to load that product into a tray, but using robotics allows you that extra security of product management, product handling, picking and placing precisely into a tray. Some of the challenges with rigid tray loading is that not only you're managing the product flow, but you're also managing the tray. That's a little bit different than other technologies. However, JLS's experience with using vision systems, communication, integration allows us to do that seamlessly. We don't just look at a robot and a thermoformer, we look at it as a full system solution. Where's the product coming from? How fast is the product flowing? What orientation? What is the consistent rate? Whether it's a nominal or surge rate? And also downstream as well. After the thermoformer, what is happening to the product? How far it's going to go through inspection into the secondary case packing. We take a full view and allow for the system and using simulation or our experience to design a system that minimizes bottlenecks. You don't want to have a robot that outpaces the thermoformer or outpaces the product supply because then you're minimizing its efficiency. The challenges the customer face obviously is safety, whether it's labor safety, whether it's product safety. We want to make sure that people working around those machines that are either intermittent motion or continuous motion are safe. Second, most important is obviously the food safety. You want to have a consistent food safety guidelines, regulations, and have safe environment for touching food and packaging food. Robots obviously provide a solution to managing the safety aspect where robots maintain their sanitation level within that same environment. They don't leave, they don't go outside, they don't go on breaks. So that then leads into the labor utilization. You can maximize your line efficiency, your production rates with robotics versus labor. You can repurpose that labor to do higher, more effective processes. So the sanitary design allows for the wash down capability using industry standard components, slope surfaces, FDA approved materials, allows for the equipment to remain hygienic so we can package and touch food as needed. The hygienic design also applies to the robot. We have hygienic IP69K kinematics, that's the arms, that's the tool, end of arm tooling, the drive motors are all IP69K stainless steel, wash down ready in a harsh environment. JLS offers all sorts of tools that are free to our customers. We provide a free service for prototyping the tool, testing their product. We can take that product and the tool to the facility and actually use it in the production environment. Or we can install it on one of our robotic demo cells that are dedicated for testing and validate the pick and place capability of those. We also offer line simulations where we can go through the what if scenarios of a production line, and we can create various scenarios and allow for the customer to actually see what their true output's going to be.